everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for watching this video in my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm Jen. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is gonna be what's in my travel bag because I'm traveling and I'm in a hotel, and if you can hear that noise, it's the fan that won't stop. Just do the whole video like this. I can't figure out how to turn this thing off. Let's get back to what this video is. I carry a lot of supplies in my travel bag as like a just in case because you never know what's gonna happen. I try to make sure that I have enough supplies for whatever happens. And I want to show you what they are because I've added some new things. Okay, this fan is like out of control. So if you want to see what I always have in my travel bag, then keep on watching. All right, so first of all, the bag I have, I don't know if they make it anymore. It's from Tumi. This thing's enormous. There's a lot of stuff in there. And what you're gonna find is there are bags inside of bags inside of bags. That's not a joke. Let's start with just like the first thing that came out is my Louis, which I keep this Louis bag. This is the first one I ever got. My mom gave it to me when I was in college and I use it to this day. I just love it. So today I use it as a clutch, but I actually use it when I travel for certain items, and then I always have a clutch on me. Let me show you what's inside here. So this is my bag dedicated to like things I need like more frequently. Remember when I said there was a bag inside of a bag inside of a bag? So inside this bag, I have a little snack baggy thing, and I keep in here floss and Topstick double-sided tape because, hello, we don't want wardrobe malfunctions, and moleskin cut up, and then also alcohol wipes. These things, the alcohol prep pads, you've probably seen them in the hospital. I keep those on me. They clean electronics, they take away germs, and like you can store like 50 of them and they won't get in the way. So I keep these in a little baggie just because I do. And if you didn't see my video on my favorites, I forgot which favorites video it was, but I talk about my favorite book, which is called How to Get Dressed. And that's why I have Topstick tape and moleskin in my bag because Allison recommended that you have it in there, and so far it has helped me out, so thank you. Inside this other bag, we're gonna go super quick. A little mini hand lotion, my new favorite lip color by RMS Beauty. It's all natural beauty, it's lip to cheek color. That's the color I have on right now. Moving right along, this is my last travel bag video. My Travelo atomizer, because don't you just want your like normal perfume when you're on the road? I do. Another lotion. This one's Jo Malone. It smells so good. It also acts as a perfume. My Kiehl's lip balm, because this can also be great for your cuticles and just like whatever. I have a pen because you're probably gonna need a pen at some point. And then something that I like to think of from the 90s, Listerine strips. If you don't have these, if you forgot that they make them, you can find them in the toothpaste aisle, and they're pretty fantastic. I also have a hair tie because when don't you need one? So that's all that's in that little bag. Let me go through the other little bags. I found that it was more helpful to have bags inside of bags because then I could be more well organized, and if I didn't need a certain bag, it was easier to take that out, if that makes sense, rather than have everything dumped in the bag itself. So let's move on to my other bags. I have this cute Henry Bendel. You can actually check out this bag in my Henry Bendel haul. I'll link that above. And this is one of 2 Henry Bendel bags that I have in here. I think it's so cute and chic. And so in here I have essentially just more stuff that I probably need, and then duplicates. So I have triple sec dry bar because I found a tiny little version. I have a hairbrush, and I've realized that I really need a hairbrush more frequently than I thought. Dry shampoo. Actually, I have 2 of those in here. A nail file. I told you you could survive out of this bag. I also have hand sanitizer, Kleenex. Oh my God, I have a problem. Band-Aids. I have these blister strip Band-Aid things. If your shoes give you blisters and then it really hurts, these things are awesome. Oh, and then to prevent those blisters, I have the friction block. Okay, I'm beginning to realize that I have quite a bit. 2 other important things. I have Advil at all times because my first trip ever, I had like a splitting headache in the middle of the night. I had no Advil, no stores were open, and I was in so much pain, and so I don't leave home without this. Also, what is on my hand? I have my favorite Esop Deodorant. This is the best stuff ever. Put all that stuff back in here. This is driving me nuts. Let's move on to my other Henry Bendel bag, which has cute women on here, has the stripes to match the other one with stripes. And this is my electronics bag. And so, I mean, I don't think I need to show you what's in here. It's like every cord imaginable. I make sure to keep connectors for like the car. So I have the car plug one. I have a Mophie backup battery because my phone dies all the time. I have a connector for iPhone for like Droid devices, or like my camera actually is powered, it has the same power cord. And then headphones. Oh, I also have a splitter just in case you sit next to someone that you like and you wanna share your movie or TV show with them. So those are all the bags within my bag, and a couple other things that I keep, and I knew it because I'm in Louisville right now and it's raining, so I brought my mini totes umbrella. These are at Target and they're super cheap and so convenient, and they fit in like any bag. So I like always have one of those on me. Can't forget my Swell water bottle. Also my wallet, it's my nice Gucci wallet. I love this thing. And it is also makes for a really good clutch because it has a lot of space in it. So I keep this on me because I need a wallet. You always have to have snacks. So I have nuts and trail mix. The packaging always looks like it's been through like a lot, and it has, but these things are a lifesaver. The last thing that I keep in my bag, and I typically always have one of these on me, is a scarf. So this is the Lululemon, oh my god, I want to say Shavasana scarf. It's not, it's the Vinyasa, that's it. Okay, so this is the one with like the buttons, and I keep this on me at all times because, well, it's a scarf, but this thing unbuttons, and it can be a shawl, it can be like a cardigan, it just keeps you warm, and it's just always good to have on you at all times because those planes get cold and hotel rooms get cold, especially when the fan doesn't stop. There's everything in my travel bag. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.